Put the Fantex cooler back in, put the side on. It's the front of my case, the 500, 5000X. Got the fans, I just put them not spinning, so when I was testing, so I wouldn't hear any noise. Put the top back on. I would have 2 AOs installed at once, so I could hear both running. And I put the side on. It's just very subtle what I hear. The EV-ARM noise, I can't really hear much. Which is nice. I got the pump set to the lowest setting. The fan spinning at the lowest setting. The nice thing about the Corsair is they have a 0 RPM mode. And that's why these fans aren't spinning. Excuse me. Only when the CPU gets up to a certain temperature do the fans start spinning, including the AL. So that's why these aren't spinning at all. But I'm getting rid of that one. Yeah, like I said, very quiet. I don't hear this Fantex one. It's subtle. It's very subtle. And I'm very close to the PC. The other one was a constant hum. Somebody called it a server hum, which almost sounded like that. Anyway,